everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will see how to process a product return on the Feere stock management app. To begin, log in into your Feere account. Once logged in, select a store. Next, continue to sales since a return always refers to a previously completed sale. Scroll down and click on the Sales and Return button. On this page, all sales made during the selected date range are displayed. A sale can be searched in several ways. It is possible to search by the sales reference number, the specific product sold, or the name of a client who has already purchased from the store. For example, when searching a specific client, only the sales related to that client are displayed. For each sale, the sale details can be opened to confirm that it is the correct sales and the correct product to return. Once confirmed, click on Return. On the return page, the following information is displayed: the invoice reference number, which cannot be modified, the client's name, which can be modified before processing the return. There's also an option to add this transaction to the client's balance. This will directly affect the client's balance on the client's page, which has already been presented in a previous tutorial. If this option is selected, enter the reason for the return. For example, sales error. Next, the list of products purchased by the client is displayed. It is possible to return both products or only return the one the customer does not want anymore. For each product, the quantity sold and the amount sold are displayed. The quantity returned cannot exceed the quantity sold. That is why a maximum quantity is shown. For example, maximum 10 if the client purchased 10 units. If 5 units are returned, enter the refund amount and, for example, 20,000 francs CFA. Once all information is correct, click Continue. A confirmation message is displayed showing the reference number, the client's name, the return reason, the product concerned, the quantity being returned, and the refunded amount. If everything is correct, click Yes. The product return is now successfully processed. This page can also be printed and shared with the client if needed. The operation is now complete. The refund amount, for example, minus 20,000 francs CFA, is reflected on the sales record along with the return details and the store concerned. It is possible to attach a file, such as the invoice related to this return. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next one.